Be working on the 240s. Luis on his S14. He's had a clunking and on the rear end, so he's gonna put some spacers on the subframe. So hopefully that'll fix it. And then I gotta do an oil change on my car, which I don't know, shouldn't take that long to do. But it's already getting kind of dark, and it's barely like 7:30, I think. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to it.
So let's get to it.
So right now, Luis is jacking the car up.
I'm checking the car off.
Jacking the car off. And then, are you gonna put the jacks in?
Yeah. Well, when I get it to my desired height. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm kind of scared now.
Holy shit.
Should I put them on the frame?
Yeah. And then we got the Doge. Milo. What the fuck are you doing? Give me that. No.
Can you lift it like a little bit more?
Hey, say what? Is that good?
Yeah. Two. I did two.
Oh. Got it jacked up, and on the spacers he got, where they at?
In the car.
Okay, so they're in the car. So here they are. What the fuck is that one? Oh shit. Whoops. So these are not actual bushings, but they're spacers. Yes, I don't know, it might work the same, I don't know, I really don't know. Or they might help out for a bit.
See where they go? Look.
Hold on. And the brand is Black Path. So yeah, here they are. So we haven't done this before, so we don't know which one goes where, but we'll be able to figure it out. So you got 4 of these and then 4 of those, and we'll see.
All right. I think that's what's supposed to happen.
Yeah. So we're loosening these first, the rear ones. So maybe we could lower the rear end and slip these on. I guess one goes on the top.
Where's the?
And then one of these goes in the bottom. So that's what we're gonna do. And we'll see if we get there. That's good. Hell yeah. Oh, so there.
Pretty much.
So you pretty much just slip those on there, but you gotta get the top one up here, one of the other ones up there. I don't know. I guess.
But these go here, right?
Yeah, those.
Oh yeah, it does. And then it just.
And then you just tighten it back up.
Like.
Yeah. Is it like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So how the fuck are you gonna
the
get
top one? I think we're supposed to push up. I think we're supposed. Oh, this just it just slips in there.
I guess.
I think it does. That's when we get the hammer and the fuck. Hold on.
Can you push it down? Can you bring it down?
A little bit. Yeah,
I guess let's do the.
we have the
both.
The front ones.
Let's loosen the both rear ones, and then it'll go down a little bit, and then we'll go from there.
You sure it won't fucking fall?
No, dude, what the fuck? Still bolted up.
Where's the?
Forgot the damn flashlights.
What's up with it? Fuck.
What do you mean?
It's in the way.
Exhaust? Well, on this one, here it is. But the damn exhaust is on the way.
In the way.
In the way.
Nah,
What about
I can break it loose. Maybe.
There you go.
Oh hell.
Well, we loosened that other. We loosened the other one back there.
The other side, and it caused the subframe to drop a little bit.
So we got it. Finally, that other one's. We got it under it.
So now we're gonna put the bottom
Bottom one on.
tighten Should I tighten that back up a little bit so
Yeah,
that
you
it'll
should.
go up?
Yeah.
So,
Keep going. Alright, that's good. But you don't want to tighten it because you want to get the other ones in too.
I know, but I just want to thread it on.
Okay.
Where's the other piece? Right here. There we go. Alright.
That'll be good. Now you loosen the other side, and we slip on the other two.
I dropped this one all the way, right? Actually, that's pretty good space right there.
That's, dude, I can see the
Where's
whole thing.
the
in there.
big one?
Huh? But you still gotta take it off anyways.
Huh?
So we got them on, and damn, that shit was actually pretty straightforward.
Do you
It's
think
not even
that?
hard.
Do you think that that's supposed? You know, these are supposed to be kind of loose, so it could drop a little bit for those, or no?
Nah, fuck it. We'll deal with it. But I mean,
Is that good? You think?
yeah, it's good.
You
I
sure?
mean, just keep going.
I don't want this shit to fucking fall on me.
Like we've never had something go like super fucking smooth like this.
I think it's because of the fucking mileage on this.
I don't know.
You think this? I mean, there's a lot of threads on it.
Yeah, it'd be good.
Yeah, it's got a lot, enough threads. I mean, if anything, we'll just tighten it up at work. If it needs more tightening, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go on to the
Damn,
front.
that was easy as hell.
Yeah. And they hit her on the side, and it fucked up her rear axle on her record.
Yeah.
I was gonna be like, damn. I didn't know the rear would drive.
Oh, rear axle. Is that what she said? Rear
Yeah.
axle?
Yeah, she was like, the mechanic told me that I messed up my rear axle on my Accord.
What the fuck? Alright, so we're done with the rear ones,
right?
and we're off to the front ones. And we're just gonna move the lift points back over here and keep going from there. Alright, so same thing on this one. Basically, you just loosen the two front ones, and then you kind of a little bit pry on that side, and then you get.
Oh shit, did I put the bottom one in? Yeah.
And then you just basically you put the bottom one or the top one, and then the bottom one, and then tighten it back up. Pretty fucking easy.
I'm boosted too.
It's dark as hell, so we're pretty much done. I'm not gonna get to wash my. I'm not gonna get to do the oil change on my car. That's just probably gonna be it. Are you gonna test drive it?
Hopefully that shit.
We just gotta start cleaning up. I gotta clean up, nigga. Help me clean up first. That's it for today. It's already too dark to do my oil change on my car, so we're just cleaning up and we're gonna test drive it, make sure there's no clunking.
If there's clunking,
Oh, too bad.
then
So
I guess I'll swap it.
yeah. So maybe this weekend we're gonna go to damn Slammed Enough in Gatlinburg, and we're probably gonna record on the way there, do a little video, and you'll see that pretty soon during the week. But yeah, pretty much that's it.
Gonna drop another film.
We're gonna drop another film, and we're just gonna test drive now the car, make sure there's no noise, and see you guys. So he's back from the test drive. Any clunking? A little bit.
Not really. I mean, it's like there a little bit, but it's way better. Like you can kind of hear it.
Really?
Sometimes, only sometimes, but you definitely can't feel anything anymore.
So, but you could kind of.
I mean.
Oh, what the fuck, dude? Damn.
Like sometimes, like I guess if you let up, like.
I think you didn't, because you didn't tighten it all the way. I mean, you're not gonna fucking abuse it anymore.
I mean, still, I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more.
Yeah.
At work.
We'll tighten it later. So that's it for the video.
Definitely a big improvement.
Big improvement.